The Honda Grom has spawned a vibrant subculture of fun seekers, from new riders attracted to its low seat height and unintimidating approachability, to experienced enthusiasts who like its modular styling and peppy performance. The Grom's current iteration features striking bodywork that facilitates customization, plus a peppy engine with a fifth gear. As always, the model boasts amazing gas mileage, low operating and maintenance costs, attention to detail and Honda's legendary reliability. The Grom sports pared-down styling with straight lines, a small subframe and thick seat padding. Seat height is a low 30 inches. The minimalist aesthetic is enhanced by its blacked-out engine, exhaust, wheels and swing arm. Practical features include an ample fuel capacity of 1.59 gallons, and the LCD digital dash has a gear position indicator, alongside the speedometer, tachometer, twin trip meters, fuel gauge and clock. The 125cc 2-valve, overhead cam, air-cooled engine has a compression ratio of 10:1. This is achieved via an undersquare design, with a narrow bore and long stroke, specifically 50.0 mm and 63.1 mm, respectively. The suspension comprises a 31 mm inverted fork and a single shock. The brakes feature a dual-piston front caliper with 220 mm disc, and a single-piston rear caliper with 190 mm disc. Wheels are a 12-inch cast design, a signature feature of the Grom, with a 5-spoke pattern.